Hello, I am so glad you are joining me today. Today I am opening up some winnings that I received from Rosemary over at RoseMary's You Rock Art. This was from her Fall Fest collab. And I am so excited that I was the winner of this package because it is absolutely beautiful. I am so excited. And she even put in a few extras. So I will start with the card. It says here, Sweet on Fall, and it's got this pretty sticker and pretty fall paper. And on the inside, it says, "Hi Maria, congrats on winning the Fall Fest 2020 collab. Yay. I'm including 4 envelopes I made. Thanks for your help. And more paper to make Christmas envelopes. Thanks for everything. Love, Rosemary." Very cool. And I will put that for sure with my other cards that I hang on my craft room door. And the first item here is this rosette. It's got some pretty fall paper and a pretty gem on one side and then the wooden button on the other. And it's on a paper straw, a gold paper straw. And I will definitely put this in with my pens and goodies so I can see it in my craft room easily. And then here we have something soft. I will definitely reuse that bag. And this is one of the tassels that she made. It's got the beads and it has this cute little clamp. And she got those from BB Crafts. And then this beautiful yarn. This yarn is so pretty. It's glittery and it has these cute little squares on it, and then the red and black yarn underneath. That is such a pretty tassel. That'll go good in my craft room. I will hang that up for sure. And this bag will get reused because I love to reuse packaging. And this is the highlight. It is the button art pumpkin that she made. This is a wooden background and it's kind of, as you can see, it's got a 3D effect. There's 3 different levels of wood. And on the back, she wrote, "To Maria, love Rosemary, Fall 2020, RoseMary's You Rock Art." I will link her channel below. Be sure to check her out. She is awesome. She plays keyboard, she sings, she plays the guitar, she does hauls, she does crafts, she cooks. She's got it all. And this has a little hole in the top so I can hang it up. And this is some button art that she has done and used the Scrabble letters for the word fall and some raffia for a bow. That is so gorgeous. I love it. I cannot wait to hang this. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. Maybe my front door or in my craft room. But it is absolutely gorgeous and I will use it year after year and think of you every time, Rosemary. I absolutely love this. It is so pretty. And these are the envelopes she talked about. She hauled this book from maybe the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure where she got the book, but it was all of these food pictures. And I commented and I said, "Oh, that would be so great to make envelopes with." And so we got to talking and we were talking about different ways to make envelopes. So she made some and sent them to me, and that is so cool. And so they end up being double-sided because there's stuff on the inside, you know, on the other page. Very cool. I love that one. That is so pretty. And see, it's got stuff on the inside. So those worked out great. That's very cool. I will definitely use those for Happy Mail. And then she also sent some paper, some Christmas paper. This looks like a sweater, some winter paper. Oh, yes. Merry Christmas and those wreaths. This must be from that paper craft or Card Making Magazine. She's gotten a couple of them from Sam's Club, and I think they come with stamps and dies and paper samples. I'm guessing that's what these are from. I've never had one of those magazines, but they look awesome. I really want one. So this is the sweater, and on the back are these beautiful wreaths. So pretty. And then the snowflakes, and I guess it's the deer head. Very cool. More snowflakes and trees and the cute little gingerbread men and more snowflakes. These are really, really pretty. These would make nice envelopes. And the Christmas trees, and oh, I love that. That is so pretty. Love that. And these trees, and oh, I love those. I don't know that I can use these for envelopes. They're too pretty. Love them. And look at that, the Santas and the gifts. I love that. And then that's like another Nordic or sweater design. Oh, these three are my favorite. I'm going to have to do something special with those. I don't think I can use them for envelopes. They're far too pretty. All right. Thank you so much, Rosemary. I love everything, and I will put it to good use. As always, you might want to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you can see the other videos as I post them. And thank you again, Rosemary. If you haven't checked out her channel, please head on over there, because she is awesome. I just love Rosemary. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.